Hey y'all, I just realized that I got my Dipalicious package for the Dia de los Muertos and I completely forgot to open it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and show you guys what's inside. I checked the spoilers page, but some of the swatches, I couldn't really tell what the colors look like, so I'm kind of excited to see what they look like in person. Oh, what is this? Did I also order some other colors? I cannot remember. Or did she send me some freebies? I've got lots of Valyrian steel here. Okay, so let's see. Let me just check to make sure I didn't buy that. Apparently I did. And I bought 2 Valyrian steel, so maybe I'll give away one. And then I also have Diamond Shine that I bought. But yeah, 2 Valyrian steel, so maybe we'll do a giveaway here soon. And then inside the Dia de los Muertos collection are some little decals by MJ Glitter Design. Let's see what kind of decals we have. Oh, there's a really cute skull. Might have to do a mani with that one. I see a little flower too. Let's open it up. Yeah, so this really cute little skull. Love that one actually. Then we have a black skull too. So maybe those could go side by side. Then I've got a white skull and some flowers. Lots of different colored flowers. Some really cute little flowers. Ooh, and I just spilled them all over the place. Really cute. And she also sent 3 little swatch sticks, so maybe we will swatch these right now. And a cute, oh my god, this is so cute, little flashlight. Let's see how it works. Oh, do these glow in the dark? That might be why. This little flashlight, I guess, to help glow these in the dark. One of them is a temp changer and it glows, and one of them is a topper. So, let's see what we got here. Oh, the packaging is really cute. Look at this little skull on it. The sugar skull. So this one is Calavera. It is a temp changer and it glows. And then we also have Ofrenda, which says a sprinkles topper. And then we have this one, which is super gorgeous. It's like a speckled dip. It's called Illuminacion. And it's a glow powder. Let's swatch this one. I really like how she shrink wraps hers. It's a beautiful day, so I'm sitting in my backyard. I've actually never swatched outside before. I'm also gonna try the Dipalicious liquids. See how those work out. May as well, since I'm well, it's stuck, so maybe we won't be using it. Might be pausing this video and coming back in just a moment. Can you see how pretty this is? Spilling it, so maybe I won't do that. It's really pretty. It's orange and pink little speckles, kind of like a composition book. And I really can't open this, so I might go get some different liquids to try. Oh, there we go. Just had to use some strength. These are cute little almond shaped swatches. kind of gigantic. Might not even fit in these little jars, but we'll do our best here. So there is one layer of Illuminacion. Go ahead and I'll probably just do 2, just so we can show you what it looks like. Didn't bring all my tools outside, but we're just winging it. The liquid's gone really nice and smooth, so that's a plus. The one thing I probably should have done is bought 2 of the dip base and glossy top coats, because I do not like using a top coat when the brush has some contamination on it. So probably note to self for the future, we'll make sure that I get another one of those, because I really like to use them, but I don't want to put a top coat on that has orange and pink sprinkles in it. So there is 2 dips. Can't really see it that well, so I'm going to go ahead and activate it. It's really pink, hot pink. Hot, hot pink. You know what, we might actually go take a walk into the sunlight. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. Okay, probably not. Kind of. Anyway, I'll post the swatches afterwards. Then we will, I guess, go ahead and put the top coat, because I didn't read the instructions. See how shiny it is. I don't know if you do 1 or 2 coats of this, but I am winging it. So go ahead and put that one to the side, and while that's drying for a quick second, I will open up Calavera, which is temp changer. Maybe I'll open it up. There we go. I have on 2 different manis. This is Rebels Erica, which is my true love, and this is the mani I just did last night. Calavera. Go ahead and put on the second base coat. Make this little baby shiny. It's really cool. It's very speckly. Can you see that? I hope you can. Wonder if I can make it glow outside with this little flashlight. Probably not, but we're gonna try it anyway. Nope. No luck. My husband walked out, so I shut it down for just a quick second. Now we're back. We are doing Calavera. This one is the Temp Glow Changer. So we'll go ahead and put the base. It's really kind of hard to lay the powder into these jars, so I'm just going to dip it. They're kind of small. Actually, I guess at the same time I can go ahead and do Ofrenda too, which is a topper, so probably only need 1 layer of that. Oh, that one's already changing. See? It's like dark purple here and light purple here. It's gonna be really pretty. That'll probably be a nice fall, winter temp changer. The sprinkles topper is like black little sprinkles instead of a clear powder, it looks like. Let me go ahead and swatch that baby. Yep, that's exactly what it is. Super cute. That could go over a lot of different colors. Try to get a little bit of sprinkles on the top of it here. Okay. Yeah, that just needed one layer. That would go really good over an orange or a green or even white. So that one is Ofrenda. And obviously this was a limited edition collection, so you, unless she makes more, you won't be able to get these, but figured I'd show them to you for fun. Go ahead and put on a second layer for Calavera, which is like a dark gray purple into a, maybe, I don't even know what this color is. It's just called a medium purple. And it has some little silver shimmer in it. These aren't the best swatches that I've ever done, but we'll make do. So it's changing as we're working with it. I'm going to go ahead and activate it and see. See those temp changers? Maybe I'll do one more layer. It's actually, maybe this is like blue shimmer and not silver shimmer. It's really kind of hard to tell. Not in the best lighting out here, but see, I just put a layer on there and it's turning into like a purpley red color. I'm not very good with actual color names, so we'll just go with purpley red. Dark magenta. Okay. Activate. Okay, I totally made this video with the intention of putting it on my Instagram story. So we'll see if it goes on my Instagram story or if I put this on YouTube, because I did it vertically, but it's really actually a pretty long video. So I just activated it and it's turning to this deep dark purple, and you can still see this magenta-ish color around it. And that one is Calavera. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I activated both of them. I'm gonna go ahead and put the top coat on Ofrenda. Make it nice and shiny. And then I will put the top coat on Calavera. We'll see. It looks so pretty. I think I want to use this. Just kind of moving fast here. Did not read the instructions for these liquids, but they're pretty good. So far, my brush hasn't hardened, so I guess I'm using them okay. And voila, we're done. They're really pretty. Really, really pretty. So this one is Ofrenda, and it's a sprinkle topper. This one is Calavera, and it's like a deep dark purple to magenta color changer. And this one is Illuminacion, which is kind of like a pink and orange composition book looking color, and it glows. I'm not sure what color it glows because it's not dark right now. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. Have a good day.